Ever had your keyboard slide mid-fight like it's trying to escape the battle? That's your desk waving the white flag. In 2025, a proper gaming desk isn't a luxury, it's your front line. Whether you're grinding, ranked, rage-quitting, or just flexing your setup on stream, your desk matters. But not all of them are built for glory. Some are just flashy rectangles with RGB. So I tested the best, worst, and everything in between. And these are the ones actually worth putting your rig on. Let's start with something clever. The VariDesk Pro Plus sits right on top of your current desk and transforms it into a standing setup. No screws, no tools, no drama. It's spring-loaded, smooth to adjust, and stable even with dual monitors. The mouse area is a bit tight if you're rocking a big pad, but for productivity or light gaming, it's a fantastic space saver. And since it comes pre-built, setup is literally open box, place desk, feel smug. If you're not ready to commit to a full sit-stand desk, this is a great middle ground. Made from recycled chopsticks, yes, really, this desk proves that sustainability doesn't mean compromising on style. The surface has a unique mosaic wood texture that looks premium and resists scratches surprisingly well. Height adjustment is motorized and smooth, and the build quality is rock solid. It's on the smaller side, so big, tower setups might feel a little cramped, but for clean, minimal builds, it's a standout. It's not cheap, but hey, saving the planet and looking good doing it, worth it. Want motorized sit-stand without the luxury tax? The Flexispot E1 is where function meets frugality. It's sturdy, has a clean design, and adjusts between 71 to 122 centimeters at the push of a button. You can upgrade to a programmable control panel with memory presets and collision detection, but even the base model handles daily use like a champ. It's not flashy, but it's rock solid and surprisingly quiet, which is exactly what you want when you're mid-game and shifting from sit to stand without waking the neighbors. Got an awkward corner? Or just need maximum space? The Flexispot E7L is a beast of an L-shaped desk with triple motor legs and tons of real estate for your setup. The best part? You can customize the desktop yourself, or get creative with reclaimed wood if you're into DIY. Just don't forget an electric screwdriver. You'll need it. Once it's up, though, it's super sturdy and elevates like a dream. Perfect for multitaskers, streamers, or anyone running a 3-monitor battle station. This thing is all mouse mat. Literally, the entire surface is covered in a custom-fit pad with a hydrophobic coating. Spills bead right off. It's 160 centimeter wide, fits 2 monitors easily, and has solid cable management underneath. Assembly can be a bit of a workout, and the coating's fragile if you scrub too hard. But if you want a huge, comfy surface for gaming, work, or both, the Arena offers a lot of desk for a surprisingly fair price. Leave it to Ikea to give us a gamer-friendly desk that won't break the bank. The Utespelare is huge for its price, 160 pounders 80 centimeters, and has a built-in cable tray underneath. Height is technically adjustable, though not on the fly. The legs are sturdy, and the A-frame design adds both stability and style. It's basic, but it works. And for under $150 in some regions, it's a killer pick for budget-conscious gamers or first-time setups. This is it, the endgame desk. The Magnus Pro XL is the kind of desk you build your whole setup around. Motorized height adjustment? Check. Magnetic cable management? Yes, please. Dual monitor arms and underglow RGB? Absolutely. It's pricey and heavy, but everything about it screams premium. The desk even feels cool to the touch. If Tony Stark designed a desk for gaming, this would be it. If you want one desk to rule them all and don't mind paying for luxury, this is the one to get. Loving the list so far? Hit that sub button and let's keep it going. So, there you have it, the best gaming desks of 2025. From budget bangers to eco-friendly builds, from compact setups to motorized monsters, there's something here for every style, space, and gamer. Which one fits your setup best? Or is there a desk you swear by that we missed? Drop it in the comments. We're always down to learn about new gear. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more honest gaming gear picks. Until next time, sit smart, stand tall, and game on.